Sa baboy.
Music therapy mo naman. Dance therapy mo, bro. Ang kuwan ka naman kay inayuan din siya mo para magkatawan.
I love
pagkatawa rin din siya, ma'am. Dili kini naman na perfecto yung kinasayo, inayuan din, ma'am.
Yes! Basta sa mga pagkatawa. Lagi.
Show me the meaning of being lonely. So many words for a broken heart. It's hard to see from a crimson love. So hard to breathe. Walk with me and maybe show me the meaning of being lonely. Is this the feeling I need to walk away? Tell me why I can't be there where you are. There's something missing in my heart. Oh my God, we're back again. Brothers, sisters, everybody say, like a thing to play, but I'll show you how. Like a support with an ass now. Yeah. Am I original? Yeah. Am I the only one? Yeah. Am I sexual? Yeah. Am I everything you need? You better rock your body now. Everybody. Yeah. Rock your body. Yeah. Everybody. Rock your body right. Backstreet Back, alright. Yeah. You are my fire, the one desire you. When I say I want it that way, tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Let me tell you now, there's rights to pay, alright. All of our time spent flashing a light. All you people, can't you see how you look reflecting our reality? Every time we're down, you can make it right. That makes you larger. That makes you larger than life.
Hanggang sa totoong production number nila, bentang-benta pa rin sa
Ang galing-galing. I love you, Cowboys!
Ay,
Love ko nila din.
Ay, naku, eto, up next, meron bago kay Mr. Jeff Medal, and of course, ang showdown ni Mr. Martin Rivera versus Sarah Geronimo at ang Full Circle. Super Dance Crew with the G4th anniversary. Wow! It's their birthday again. Divas for Divas of Cool Pops Shasha with Charisse.
And we also have a special Kapamilya tribute to the country's king of rap. Of course, Francis Magalona. Kaya wag po kayong aalis dahil magbabalik pa po ang ASAP.
Oh, nice.